Just acquired this BMW. It's the 520D M Sport. It's literally just arrived. The wheels are just going to be refurbished. It's the only thing that really needs doing to the car now. Mechanical checks also. Absolutely stunning condition. Paintwork is lovely. It's got the full M Sport body styling kit. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's twin opening boots, you got that in there as well. Full leather interior, again, all in excellent condition. It's got the satellite navigation, Bluetooth, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control, lovely M Sport leather steering wheel, feels lovely, no real wear on that either. At DJH for full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.